Hello and welcome. Today, we must discuss an exceptionally significant policy shift within Australia's international education sector. For all prospective students applying from offshore, the rules of engagement have fundamentally changed. Effective immediately, the processing of your student visa is no longer governed by the former Ministerial Direction number 111. It has been comprehensively replaced by Ministerial Direction number 115. This is not a simple administrative update. It is the cornerstone of the government's plan to control student visa numbers and improve program integrity. The why, rationale, and the migration strategy. To truly understand MD 115, we must first understand why it was implemented. Over the past year, the Australian government signaled a commitment to addressing integrity concerns within the student visa program and reducing net overseas migration. MD 115 is a key enforcement pillar of the broader migration strategy. Its specific goal is to penalize education providers who engage in volume over quality, providers who have been rapidly increasing their enrollments, often exceeding their designated capacity. By shifting processing priority, the government is essentially rewarding high-quality, compliant institutions and slowing down applications tied to high-risk, non-compliant providers. The central theme here is capacity control and promoting the integrity of the student pathway. The what? Detailed breakdown of the new traffic light system. The most crucial element of MD 115 is the introduction of a three-tiered traffic light priority system for offshore student visa applications. Your processing speed is now directly tied to your chosen institution's performance against its National Overseas Student Capacity, or NOSC allocation. Let's break down the 3 lanes. 1. Priority 1, the green lane. This is the highest priority, reserved for students applying to providers who are utilizing less than 80% of their capacity allocation. Implication: applications in this category are actively fast-tracked, with target processing times aimed at approximately 1 to 4 weeks. 2. Priority 2, the amber lane. This represents the standard priority, applying to institutions operating between 80% and 115% of their allocation. Implication: processing times will be standard for the stream, generally expected to fall between 5 to 8 weeks. 3. Priority 3, the red lane. This is the lowest priority. This applies if your chosen institution has exceeded 115% of its allocation. Implication: applications in this lane are significantly deprioritized. You should anticipate minimum processing times of 9 weeks and potentially much longer as the department focuses resources elsewhere. We must also note the key exemptions. Students applying for school, TAFE, postgraduate research, subclass 500, and government-sponsored students typically maintain Priority 1 status, regardless of their provider's current cap usage. The action: due diligence and genuine student requirements. For prospective applicants, the stakes have never been higher. Your due diligence is now directly linked to your waiting time. Action Step 1. Check your provider. Before finalizing your application, you must inquire about your provider's current enrollment status and compliance rating under the NOSC framework. Choosing a provider in the green lane is the single most effective way to secure a fast decision. Action Step 2. Risk assessment. Being placed in the red lane doesn't just mean a longer wait. It signals to the department that your application is tied to a high-risk provider. This could lead to greater scrutiny of your genuine student (GS) requirement and potentially a higher risk of refusal. You must ensure your GS statement is robust, detailing your academic intent and career progression. Conclusion and official resources. MD 115 represents a clear message. Australia is prioritizing quality over quantity in its international education sector. This new direction is a permanent fixture in the student visa landscape. We strongly urge you to read the full text of Ministerial Direction number 115 for its complete legal context. You can access the official source link in the description below. Thank you for watching this detailed update. Please subscribe Visa Connection for continued analysis on Australian immigration policy, and we wish you a successful visa application.